All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's phonics. So O, O, an OE, an O, an O. So boot, ooh, oot, not bot or bout, but oot, oot. And blue, blue. There we are, boot. There we are, boot. And blue. There we are, blue, very good. Ooh, ooh, UE, blue. And grew, ooh, grew, grew, grew. And oop, soup, soup. There we are, soup, soup. And ooh, super, super, ooh, super, super. Very good. And UE, flute, 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 flute. And do, not dough, but do. Suit, oot, not sweet, suet, suit. Here we are. Suit. Very good. Yeah. Suit. Suit. How cool is that? And shoe, not showy. Not showy. Shoe. Ooh. There we are. Shoe. Very good. OE. Shoe. Not showy. Shoe. Shoe. And through. Not ough. Through. And though. Through. And though. Though. Yeah. O. And note. OE. Note. Note. Let's get a picture. Note. Here we are. Note. Very good. Note. And toe. Not TOW. Not TOE. Toe. Let's get a picture. Toe. Here we are. Toe. Very good. Toe. Yeah. How cool is that? So boot, blue, grew, soup, super, flute, do, suit, shoe, through, though, note, and toe. Toe. Let's get zoomed in. Here we are. Toe. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.